ready for you now.
Good morning. Welcome back to Cleaning is My Therapy. My name is Jamie, and I have got some cleaning and decorating for you guys this week. I am decorating for Memorial Day weekend, which I am a little behind on. It kind of creeped up on me. I didn't realize it was this weekend coming up, but we'll be decorated for the 4th of July. But we can get this house cleaned up so I can start getting it decorated, which in each room will get cleaned, and I'm going to decorate that room before I go on to the next. And this little soldier statue, I got that off of Amazon a few years ago, and then I just taped 2 flags back behind him. And the dog sign, my husband found that at Tractor Supply last year at the end of summer. One side said welcome spring, and then the other side is summer for Memorial Day and the 4th of July. And there is another one out in the shed that's for fall and Halloween. But I'm going to get this dishwasher unloaded. And you guys, oh my goodness, I didn't realize I had forgot that little egg garland hanging up above the window in the kitchen. That thing has been there since like Easter. I haven't even noticed it until I was getting ready to put the other thing I had up there.
Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Before you turn away, I just want you to know that I didn't throw your stuff away. Before you make up your mind that I'm nowhere to find, I'm standing right here. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said.
And I accumulated another coffee maker. I don't have nowhere to put this one on the coffee bar. That the little coffee maker is sitting right here, but this one makes cappuccinos, and so this one is going to be on the kitchen counter where the other Keurig was. And I have been thinking about taking these blinds out. I'm not a fan of them. I don't like dusting blinds, you guys. I'm just being honest. It's just not one of my favorite things to do. And plus, I can't open these the way I want to open them because the string is messed up on them. So I have actually been looking into some curtains for in here. But I honestly think I'm going to go to Joann's and buy me some fabric and make me some really cute curtains for the kitchen for the spring and stuff. And like for summer, but I've also thought about doing like the cafe window style with the curtain and everything. So I am going to go shopping and look at some of that stuff. Right there, my husband just scared me. We have cameras in the house, and I forgot my phone in the bedroom, and so he tried to call me and I didn't hear it. So he just came on the intercom over the camera to get my attention and just scared me. So I had to go find my phone.
All these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light, yeah. care, 'cause right now I feel the love that we said we would burn. Oh, I know that you feel it too. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me?
So I am using some soft scrub to scrub out my sink. This is a product that I use all the time scrubbing out my sink. It kills up to 99.9% of germs and bacteria. It has bleach in it. And I do have a scrub brush just for the sink. So just getting the sink scrubbed down really good so it's good and clean and ready for the day.
Give me love, give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way, don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand, look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need, and I'll be alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. And you'll be enough if you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. Promise you won't leave my side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love. What you wanna do, I'll do anything. As long as I can be here with you, everything's alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay.
So my husband, we were talking, and he was telling me he's got a 3-day weekend for Memorial Day, and he was asking me what did I want to do, and I told him I just wanted to get some beer and put some ice in the cooler and just float around the pool and have a few drinks over the weekend with him. And as long as it's going to be nice and it's not going to rain, which I'm hoping it doesn't rain, because I just want to float around in the pool, drink a beer, and just tan and relax.
Nobody told me to settle down. Day nights and late nights don't get around. But there's something about you I like, about you I like. You're crazy for saying I should slow down, but maybe I'm escaping the love we found. There's something about you you alive.
And just saying, I have a weird obsession with seasonings. This drawer is full. The turntable by the stove is full of seasonings. I have got more seasonings above the microwave, and then also have more seasonings in another cabinet. So every time I go to the store, I see a new spice I want to try. I have a weird obsession with it. And y'all, I am sorry I have not got this video done and uploaded. Oh my God, I have been trying, but we have had a series of bad storms that has been coming through for the last couple of weeks. And it's just getting worse. Right now, it is Tuesday on the day I normally upload. Every Tuesday I upload, and here I am trying to finish editing this video and voicing it over so I can get it uploaded. But we have round 5 of our storm coming through right now as I'm doing this. But it has just been so bad. So I am sorry I haven't got nothing done, uploaded, or anything. I am working on it. I am trying. But we've had 2 trees that went down in our backyard and took out our fence. The trees in our front yard, some of their big branches came off and hit the roof, which now we've got a leak on the roof from those branches, and is leaking in the kitchen and the dining room. So it has just been a rough few weeks, and I'm hoping this is our last storm. It looks like it will be, but our power has been in and out. The other day we actually was stuck in our subdivision because on both sides there was trees down, so there was no way out, so everybody was just stuck on like our road. There's like 2 ways. There's one way in and one way out, and both ways were blocked from trees. So it has been a few weeks, you guys. But I will show you guys all of the damage next week in the video, and I will talk to you guys more about everything that has been going on with the storms and everything. So it has just been a lot, so much, and haven't even been able to enjoy my pool. Like, on Memorial Day, that weekend, we had a few beers and floated around the pool. That was it. And then after that, we've had nothing but bad storms. So it's just been one thing after another around here, and I'm over it all. And I also posted a couple of pictures over on Instagram with the big trees that are down in our yard and the damage it has done. And also in next week's video, I will show you guys everything on video, all of the damage, everything that this storm has done. And we're in the middle of the 5th storm that is rolling around, and I'm hoping I can get this finished editing and get it uploaded. So I probably won't be doing a lot more talking after this. I'm just going to play music just so I can get this video ready and up for you guys. But if you guys are not subscribed, like and subscribe, and make sure you guys are subscribed and hit the bell notification so you guys will get a notification when next week's video comes up and all the videos after that. Because y'all, there is going to be so much stuff going on in the next several videos, and it's going to be a lot. I need to clean the chicken run in the chicken coop because it is absolutely disgusting. But it has been flooding so much out there, and the bottom of the coop has been underwater. So it's just been a lot. So there's just going to be so much going on. A lot of cleanup after the storm. So a lot. So if that is something you guys are interested in, make sure you guys are subscribed and make sure you hit the bell notification button so it'll let you know every time I upload a video.
dry. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I...
So, you guys, I'm just going to cut this video short. I'm not going to even worry about finish editing the rest because I want to get this up for you guys. This was supposed to have been up last week, but with all the storms, I just haven't been able to. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and make sure you guys come back next week because I'm going to show you all the damages that these storms have done to our house, and we'll talk to you guys more about all of that. But I am just going to try to get this finished, get it uploaded before this storm takes out my power again. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I hope you guys have a wonderful Tuesday, and I'll talk to you guys next week. Bye.